Hello, fellow stitchers. Cher Johnston here. I have another book. This one is Embroidered Wild Flowers. I'm not even going to try to say that name. It's she's Japanese. And that's not a photograph. I mean, that's a photograph, but it's embroidery. And it starts off in the beginning of the book that this is an actual photograph of real things in real life. This is a photograph of real life. But if you look at her stitching, look how similar it looks. Okay, I'm going to just kind of flip through some of the things that are in here. So I don't have permission from her, but no matter. In the back, there's a stitch catalog and patterns. This is page 54, and it goes to page 95. And each pattern has the pattern that you can copy, and then she gives the DMC thread numbers. She tells you which stitch to use and the DMC threads to use to do each and every stitch in the entire book. Like, how amazing is that? I will put a link to, I don't know if she has a website. I'll put a link to this book on Amazon. Not sponsored, but I just like to share my stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.